Doosan took the first step in its legendary history in 1896, when Park Sung-jik opened a small, modern store in Beogye, Jongbro 4, Seoul. From this first store, we continued to build on that success. In 1896, founding chairman Sung-jik Park opened Korea's first modern store, the original entity of Doosan, which later earned a reputation as a trendsetter for developing the first modern cosmetic products in Korea. 2012. Globally launched 12 new product platforms with a focus on innovation and emissions compliance. Doosan Portable Power was the first to market Tier 4 large air compressors and large generators. Our market-leading product line of portable air compressors, generators and light towers are proudly built in the USA. Doosan Portable Power is headquartered in Statesville, North Carolina, and was established in 2007. Doosan Air Compressor Technical Specifications. Free air delivery, cubic meter per minute CFM 23.4 825 rated operating pressure, bar PSIG 8.6 125 fuel tank capacity, L462. Engine, make model Cummins 6C 8.3 emissions level Tier 2 number of cylinders 6 rated speed, RPM 2000 power, kW HP 205 275 electrical, volts 24. Dimensions with running gear, length fixed tow bar, 5260 length min max adjustable tow bar, width, 1950 height, 2320 tire size 7.50, 16 LT shipping weight, with O fuel, kilogram 3900 working weight, W fuel, kilogram 4280.